Welcome to Cooking with Gringo, where it's Copycat Monday. Why pay a little for a lot when you can spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat El Pollo Loco Avocado Salsa. To a food processor, we're going to take one ripe avocado, and add it to our bowl of our food processor. Two tablespoons of diced onion, 2 tablespoons of cilantro, 1 jalapeno that's been quartered and de-seeded, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and 1 cup of water. And now we blend. And now we eat. Now it's time to dig in. Bon appetit. For a copycat recipe from El Pollo Loco, it's alright. You can always make it a lot better. Add some garlic, some habanero, serranos, lime juice. Add to make it a lot better. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.